Christmas time is here, and Santa always gets me everything I want. I might even ask for a reindeer. He's my sugar daddy, so he'll make that shit appear. Santa always lays those gifts, he spoils me because I am his favorite and he is my little bitch. Santa always lays those gifts, he spoils me because I am his favorite and he is my little bitch. Then I wake up on Christmas morning, I look under the tree. I don't see any presents left for me, just a little piece of shit with my name on it. What? Santa, I don't know her anymore. He abandoned